Welcome back to another AKB Pill. In the previous video, we have seen how to generate and download a network project from the AstraKode Blockchain platform. And today, I'm going to show you how to launch your network. Before starting, make sure you've installed Docker and the other components needed to launch your network. You can find all the necessary information in the README file within the project folder downloaded from AKB. First, open the window command prompt and enter the WSL command. When prompted, enter the root password. Then navigate to your blockchain network folder using the cd command. Now run the command /network.sh app to start a network. You will see the process running. That can take a few minutes depending on the project size, but once it completes, the shell will confirm that the network has launched successfully. And that's how you launch an Hyperledger Fabric blockchain network.